In this video, I'm going to be walking through how you can use data from your territory plan, pivoting on your territory coverage assignments to create targets for individual people on your team. So I have a very controlled example here. We have one territory that's strategic territory. It's got 3 accounts in it with the sum of bookings potential right at $300,000. I've come in to set a target here where I have the target calculated to take the sum of the bookings potential for this entire territory and multiply it by 10% and then distribute it across the year like so. This is somewhat arbitrary, but just for purposes of demonstration. So that is this 30,000 over the year broken down like this. And now what I have is I have one person assigned as the AE to this territory for the duration of the fiscal year. Now what we're going to do is hop over into Teams, and I will show how this happens in the team side. So we'll go to Actions here and Edit Target Details. This is just a blank target for right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to specifically just focus in on the one person we've assigned coverage for in that controlled scenario. So Brad, what we'll do is we'll set the goal on for his personal quota by looking at the territory targets, and we have this one, which we'll just bring in and leave it like that. And then schedule, we'll just add whatever the schedule that we have is, the same one from when we created it, and we won't do any adjustments. We'll click Save here. So now once this refreshes, what we're going to see is Brad has this target that we've created for him that is pulling the information from his territory coverage assignment, the accounts that are actually within his territory, and connecting that to him